Good morning, Ibu Eka and everyone. Do you guys remember when we were trying to register for our classes during KRS and the page just kept loading forever? Or when we had to constantly jump between the three different apps just to check our grades, schedule, and attendance? That helpless feeling of anxiety and frustration is something we all know too well, making our daily student life feel incredibly stressful and inefficient. That's why I'm Aurora, alongside my team Ghea, Nailah, Fariq, Abel, and Fajar are here to present our platform called EduCore. EduCore is a complex SaaS-based academic ecosystem designed to integrate all critical university services into a single, stable, and completely crash-free portal. So what are we waiting for? Let us hear the next explanation. Next.
Okay, I want to explain about the problem definition. Firstly, a background. Every semester, thousands of telecom university students go through the same ritual, sitting in the front of their laptop, fingers hovering over the refresh button, racing to secure course solved until the server crashes, the session student logs out, and the class and the one is already full. Isn't one time inside it is traditional. The same thing happened during UKT payment deadlines, a system that support to help students meet their academic obligation and up being a major source of stress. Over time, this repeatedly failures built into digital trauma, not because students don't know how to use the system, but because the system has let them down too many times. Beyond two students are forced to jump between multiple apps just to handle everyday academic needs. Schedule here, grades there, announcement somewhere else, counseling through a process that's anything but simple. Mental energy that souls to growth studying get drains just navigating between platforms. This is cognitive load and stress mental burden that the system imposes on its own user. The next five core problems in Iglesias and might tell you we have five. Firstly, fragment system Iglesias and might tell you operating independent with spare part and spare part login process. Students are forced to switch between platforms just to complete a significant academic workflow that should be possible in one place. Second, infrastructure that can handle the load every high stakes moment KRS registration, UKT payment deadlines, and the system bucket under pressure. This is unfixable problem. The schedule in the same every semester, yet is keeping happen that the consequences go beyond technical influence. They directly affect student academic standing and mental stage. Three, career and social silos. There is no official way to connect with alumni and find teammates for competition, or discover verified inter opportunities. We throw to the campus like everything has to be discussed for the externally, with result they aren't always reliable to thoroughly. Fourth, mentally hurt our the system student who need psychology. Support must go through a length and often intimidating process to access it. Process is not safely easily accessible digital channel that grades confidently, yet need for mental health support within the campus community is very real. Five, entrepreneurs with no official platform. Many students already run their own small business, but there is official space to promote their product and service to campus community, their university conscious entrepreneur through the curriculum, but digital infrastructure hasn't as hiked up. Next, target user. Who target user? EduCore have a three segment main group. Firstly is active student, particularly Gen Z student at Telkom University are primary. There's need go beyond registration and reload. They need real-time grade tracking, mental health access, a space to promote their business and career connection. EduCore is built entirely around them, mobile friendly, minimal clicks, everything in one place. Second, campus management, administration, faculty advisor, counseling staff, and department coordinators benefit from a centralized system that making it easier to monitor student progress, share of information, and manage data across the board. The last, alumni and illustration. Partners they connect through the relation hub feature. Alumni can mentor current student, industry partner gain direct access to a verified pool of the talent. The next,
I will explain the design thinking process behind our project EduCore. Next. First, in the emphasize stage, we gathered feedback from students regarding the experience using iGracious and MyTellU. We found, we found several common problems such as fragment system, complicated navigation, frequent technical issue, and the need for a more user-friendly academic platform. Next, in the define stage, uh, we, con- we concluded that students need an integrated academic system that can reduce complexity, improve reliability, and support both academic and non-academic activities in one platform. Then, in the immediate stage, we conducted a brainstorming session and affinity diagram analysis. Our solution our solution evolved from one value, then Unicore, and finally became EduCore. The final concept is based on the ASPIRE framework, which consists of admin gate, success track, wisdom, impact lab, relation hub, and e-portal. After that, in the prototype stage, we develop a middle fidelity prototype using Canva and Figma. The prototype focused on a mobile-first design, simple navigation, and integrated academic service to provide a better user experience. In the testing stage, student test the prototype and provided feedback regarding usability, accessibility, and feature relevant. The results show into one platform, while suggestions were mainly related to personalization and navigation improvement. In conclusion, EduCore is a mobile-first academic ecosystem that integrated academic service, student well-being, career development, entrepreneurship support, and campus information into a single platform.
Moving to how might we? Next slide. So we have made its table and the aspire pillars that consists six of them. The first one is admin gate, which is A. The core problem is server crashes during KRS and UKT payments. So how might we provide seamless admin access during peak traffic? Our solution is SaaS load balancing, one-click payment, and anti-crash KRS. The second one is success track, which is S. The problem is academic tracking is slow and uncentralized. How might we help students track academic progress instantly? The solution is real-time dashboard for GPA schedules and QR attendance. Uh, P zone is a P. So the core problem is academic stress and digital trauma from system bugs. So how might we make rigid system care about mental health? Our solution is daily mood tracking and anonymous campus counseling bookings. Impact Lab, which is I, the problem is no platform to promote student-led businesses. So uh, how might we help student entrepreneurs market their businesses? The solution is internal campus marketplace for student products and services. The fifth one is realization hub, which is R. The problem is social and career silos. So how might we connect students with alumni and cross major peers? Our our solution or innovation is campus professional network, alumni matching, and auto CV builder. The last one is e-portal, which is E. The problem is scattered news and unverified announcement. So how might we ensure students get trusted centralized news? Our solution is one-way official announcement hub and student hall of fame.
Says need quick and accurate academic information. Want all academic service in one platform. Expect the system to be easy to use and accessible anytime. Think the platform should improve academic productivity. Information must be reliable and up to date. Number three, digital service should make academic tasks more efficiency. Thus regularly check schedules, grades, and announcement. Access learning material and submit assessment online. Use laptop and smartphone to find academic information. Feels confident when information is easy to access. Frustrated when the system is slow or difficult to navigate. Satisfied when academic activities can be complete efficiently. Pains complete navigation makes information difficult to find. Number two, slow system performance during peak usage. Outdated or inconsistent academic information. Technically issues that disrupt learning activities. Gains fast and convenience access to academic information. Centralized service that save time and effort. Real-time update on schedules, grades, and announcement. Improves productivity and overall academic experience.
Okay, next, affinity diagram. Next. Okay, after grouping the ideas, we identified four main categories. First, user value proposition, which focus on easier access, efficiency, reliability, and convenience. Second, function, which relate to system performance, security, integration, and data reliability. Third, design, which focus on interface quality, simple navigation, and user-friendly interactions. And fourth, the last, features, which covers additional tools and services to support academic activities and improve the digital experience. Next. Okay. From the affinity analysis, we found four key themes. The first is server reliability and academic administration relate to admin gate. The second is academic monitoring and simplified navigation relate to success track. The third is student well-being related to peace zone. And the last is student development and career acceleration related to Impact Lab, Relation Hub, and e-portal. Based on this finding, SAAS EduCore was selected as a compact academic ecosystem because it brings their needs together into one modular, scalable, and student-centered platform.
Next slide. Okay, to make this explanation much easier to understand, we are using a storytelling approach following Ghea's journey to show how EduCore addresses real student emotion during system transition. From the awareness, Ghea sees the EduCore teaser on social media. Skeptical about server stability, we built her trust by showcasing our anti-crash code architecture. Consideration: Ghea explored the landing page. She loved the integrated wellness and career tools, but feared a steep learning curve, which we solved with an intuitive onboarding guide. Acquisition: logging in via SSO, Ghea worries about data loss. Our automatic backend pipeline instantly syncs all her old academic records. Service: Ghea used the app daily but hesitates to book counseling due to privacy. We solve this by keeping her personal life completely private through database isolation. And the last one, loyalty. After graduation, Ghea becomes an active alumna, logging back in to find verified mentees and stay connected with the campus ecosystem. Next. Okay. Let us walk through Ghea's typical Tuesday to see how our interface and modular pillars support her daily routine. In login page, Ghea opens the app, enter her Telkom University SSO credential on a secure login page, and the system instantly validates her identity. Next. For the main dashboard, she lands on a personalized Royal Violet dashboard showing her daily schedule, active notification, and quick access widget. Next. Aspire navigation. She swipes left between the 6 pillars of Aspire from a single menu, avoiding next submenus and reducing cognitive load. Next. Course schedule. Ghea checks her schedule, finds her classroom, and scans the projector QR code to instantly log her attendance. Next. Okay, this is our Aspire models, and it's admin get. So this is cost-free KRS registration and one-click tuition payment. Next. Success track. This is a real-time GPA progress graph and visual academic standing. Next. Peace zone. This is a daily mood tracker and anonymous counseling appointments. Next. Is our Impact Lab. This is an internal marketplace to promote student micro business. Next. Is Relation Hub, so it's cross-faculty teammate matching and certified alumni mentorship. Next. And the last one is e-portal, faculty updates, digital library, and student hall of fame. Next. Okay. This is our testing plan and results. Next. We conducted hands-on usability testing with our peers, Sarah, Alif, Felisa, Nabila, and Tifal, who evaluate their experience using our Likert scale questionnaire. The testing yielded an overall satisfaction score of 4.44 out of 5.0, while visual appeal score 4.8. We resolved two crucial gaps highlighted by our peers' feedback. For the first one is the attendance gap. A statistic percentage is not enough when Telkom University requires 75% attendance for exam. So our solution is clickable course card showing our student a detailed weekly log of dates, topics, and attendance status. And the second one is the trust barrier. So student worry counseling data might leak to advisor, And our solution is anonymity masking tool that replaces real name with a random pseudonym like Lotus user or anything else. And in the therapist view. And the last one is the learning curve. So to handle the learning curve, we added an interactive 45-second visual tour called question mark on first login. Next. Okay, so in conclusion, EduCore is not just a combination of administrative tools. It is a stable, secure digital ecosystem designed to support student administrative, emotional, entrepreneurial, and professional needs. With a strong usability score of 4.44, our team is confident that EduCore is ready to shape a better, class-free academic experience at Telkom University. So, thank you very much Ibu Eka, and thank you to everyone here today for your time and attention. Thank you.